Hello everyone. Welcome to this video where we'll be discussing the most popular Agile methodologies. Agile methodologies are a set of principles and practices for delivering projects in a flexible and adaptable way. They value customer satisfaction, collaboration, and constant iteration, and are designed to help teams respond quickly to changing requirements. One of the most popular Agile methodologies is Scrum. Scrum is a framework for managing projects, and is especially well suited to software development projects. It emphasizes the importance of collaboration, and of delivering working software on a regular basis. Scrum teams work in sprints, which are short, time-boxed periods of time during which specific goals are achieved. At the end of each sprint, the team reflects on what went well, and what could be improved. Another popular Agile methodology is Kanban. Kanban is a visual system for managing work, and is often used in manufacturing and service-oriented organizations. It is designed to help teams balance demand with available capacity, and to visualize work as it flows through the system. Kanban boards are used to display work items, and teams move work items from left to right as they progress through the development process. Extreme programming, or XP, is another Agile methodology that is well suited to software development projects. XP emphasizes the importance of constant iteration and improvement, and of delivering working software frequently. It also places a strong emphasis on collaboration and communication, and on using automated testing to ensure the quality of software. In conclusion, these are some of the most popular Agile methodologies. While most are focused towards the software domain, all of these methods contain tools and concepts that can be useful for a wider application. Whether you're a project manager, a team member, or just interested in the field, understanding the principles of these methodologies is essential for delivering successful projects using an Agile approach. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more PM tips.